Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I am drinking is vodka with guava, I think guava pineapple, guava passion fruit, guava something, juice from Welch's, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but it's some kind of mixture and I like it. So go ahead, grab yourself a drink and then come back and let's have this conversation. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I like to make post these poll questions, and I find that these questions that I post, or even most of the posts that I make on Instagram, they kind of like troll posts. You know, I low-key feel like I'm trolling the entire internet, because people will look on it and think it's a direct whatever of my life, and it really isn't. So yeah, anyways, one of the questions that I asked, or one of the things that I said, I don't think this one, I don't think was an actual question. It said, having a big dick does not make you great at sex. And I was like, I don't know who needs to hear this, but there you go. And for me, this is factual. You do not have to have a big penis for your girl to enjoy sex with you. I believe that once there is a connection between the two of you, once you can satisfy her while she's connected, once you can find the G-spots, once you can stimulate her clitoris, once you know how to give proper head, once you know how to use your fingers really well, make sure that your nails are kept nice and short and clean, once you two just have that initial connection, like, the sex is going to be good. Having a big dick in some cases can be a minus. For most people it's a plus, especially for girls whose pain levels are like all the way up there and they really need to have a really big dick. But other than that, and then they're also toys, so there's really no excuse for guys with smaller penises to not satisfy you. You get what I'm saying? Having a big dick doesn't automatically mean that you're going to rock her world. It doesn't automatically mean that she's going to climax 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times back to back. It doesn't automatically mean that you are in the top tier of best sex she's ever had levelness. Okay, you still have to figure out how to work your big penis, because a lot of girls cannot manage a big penis. A lot of girls' pain tolerance aren't as high as other girls are. A lot of girls have very tight vaginas, especially girls who do their Kegels very often. So again, having a big dick does not a great sex partner make. Okay? Okay. If you agree, leave it in the comment section. If you disagree, leave it in the comment section. If you feel like you need to show me the size of your penis, don't. I still do not want your unsolicited dick pics. Never wanted them, still don't want them. If you send them to me, I'm gonna send them to my girlfriends and we're gonna laugh at you. I'm just saying. So don't. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a very short video. Very short video. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.